Resort City, with its natural tourism resources including hot spring. The city with its new growth engines including the world's largest display center, car industry, and semiconductor industry, and the largest emerging city in the central region of Korea. Asan is becoming the most dynamic city in Korea. However, Asan, which has been called the city of tourism, culture, and industry, has suffered the life waste treatment issues. A human's reckless development, which did not regard the natural environment, created a massive amount of waste, and nature cannot treat the waste naturally anymore, which put people's lives at risk. Asan City constructed the advanced Asan Environment and Science Park in order to completely treat life waste in the city and to reuse waste heat generated along the process. The city selected the construction site through the open bid without disputes. Located in Baemidong, Asan-si, South Chungcheon Province, Asan Environment and Science Park is composed of incinerator building, office building, community convenience facility building, Asan Green Tower, Environment Theme Park, and Changmyeongsil Science Museum on a site area of 107,809 square meters. At the best facility based in the best conditions, 200 tons of waste and sludge is safely incinerated a day, and the highly efficient energy generated in the process is sent for incineration, community convenience facility, and the arboretum, and the surplus heat source is treated in a naturally harmless way, including supply of the nearby industrial facilities. Household waste is collected by the garbage truck from all around the Asan city and sent to the cutting-edge incineration facility, and it is measured in the waste weight bridge passed through the carry-in site entrance, which is equipped with a Malador spread prevention system and stored in the waste storage tank. The separately collected large-scale waste is fragmented in the crusher first and then stored in the storage tank. Sludge is transferred from the carry-in storage tank at the sewage treatment plant to the dryer of the incinerator, and the dried sludge goes through the emission conveyor and is stored in the waste storage tank. The waste stored in the waste storage tank is mixed to have uniformity by waste crane and sent to the incinerator. The waste put in the incinerator moves in the advanced piston-type grate. It goes through the 3 stages of completion: combustion drying, combustion, and post-combustion in the incinerator, where temperature is more than 850 degrees Celsius inside in order to minimize harmful gas. The treatment of floor ash and fly ash is outsourced. The wastewater generated in the waste storage tank is sprayed in the incinerator by the wastewater spray pump and combusted in the high temperature. The Malador generated in the process is provided to the incinerator as a combustible air and are combusted with waste and treated not to leak outside the incinerator. The exhaust gas generated from the process of waste incineration is utilized to cool down the exhaust gas of over 850 degrees Celsius to 210 degrees Celsius to the waste heat boiler, a cooling facility. The cooled-off gas is purified in the exhaust gas treatment facility. Ammonium water is sprayed from the nitrogen oxide elimination facility in the incinerator exit to eliminate nitrogen oxide. Slaked lime slurry is sprayed from the semi-dry reaction tower installed at the back of the waste heat boiler to eliminate sulfur oxides and hydrogen chloride. Activated carbon is sprayed from the back to absorb and eliminate dioxin and heavy metal included in the exhaust gas. Reaction filter dust collector eliminates ash to purify the exhaust gas. Selective catalytic reaction tower sprays ammonium water and uses catalyst to treat nitrogen oxides and even a small amount of pollutants perfectly and emits the result through the use of manned blower and chimney. Reactant and absorbed activated carbon are collected, stored in ton bag, and treated separately by the outsourcing service. The concentration of exhaust gas is measured in real time by the gas auto analysis system and made public on the outdoor signboard and sent to the Ministry of Environment. The process is managed transparently and thoroughly in order to reassure the citizens about pollution issues. In addition, all the processes are managed and operated automatically from the central control room, which is equipped with the latest distribution control facility and are monitored all the time to maintain the best operation status. Asan Environment and Science Park does not only recycle wastes, but also provides a variety of cultural facilities to the community, including community convenience facility, theme park, and observatory. The Community Convenience Facility is a 3-story building set on a total area of 4,929 square meters for the leisure activities of the citizens. The citizens can reduce their fatigue and take a shower in the sauna, located on the first floor. On the second floor, they can also do cardio exercises and weight trainings in the gym, which is equipped with a variety of exercise machines. And the Korean dry sauna is also on the second floor. People can take a shower and rest after the exercise. The auditorium and aerobic room are on the third floor. The 150-meter-tall Asan Green Tower has a 2-story establishment at an altitude of 128 meters in it. The Asan City's landmark tower has an observatory on the first floor and a restaurant on the second floor of the installation. The Botanical Tower is composed of tropical plant garden, Korean flower garden, and many other spaces for various activities. Visitors can take lessons about the living nature and learn the importance of the environment. The garden also has the square, which is full of various sculptures, event zone, natural eco pond, and natural zones. About 55,000 species of plants, including trees and bush, grows in the landscaping area of 66,000 square meters, providing pleasant space for the rest of the citizens. The waterfront space utilizes water, light, and sound for the citizens to recharge themselves with nature. The youth can have a pleasant time in the facility, which has the theme of Dynamic Asan, and can develop their intellectual strength in the fossil field. The great scientist and inventor Chang Young-sil has contributed to the development and commercialization of science. The Chang Young-sil Science Museum is a 3-story building constructed on the total area of 4,950 square meters. The museum is composed of Chang Young-sil Hall, Science Experience Hall, Children's Science Hall, Science Workshop, and 3D Theater. The museum provides grounds for the youth to learn and experience science. In addition, Asan will develop a new tour course that connects Chang Young-sil Museum, Hyunchungsa, and Sinjeong Lake, facilitating Asan's tourism industry. Life Resource Treatment Plant in the Asan Environment and Science Park treats household waste most hygienically and effectively. In particular, we make our utmost effort in preventing environmental pollution by completely treating exhaust gas through the cutting-edge pollution prevention facilities. Above all, we always do our best to improve health and quality of life in the community. With the citizens' active participation of separate garbage collection, Asan Environment and Science Park will operate the facility more effectively and contribute to the flowering of the green culture. And we will contribute to the achievement of the city's vision to become a happy, eco-friendly city in which people and nature harmonize. Thank you.